大家好，欢迎来到 Daily Mandarin and welcome back. I'm your host and native Mandarin speaker. Every video I teach you one word, how to say it, what it means, and how to use it in real life. Today's word is something you use every single day. 谢谢, which means thank you. Let's break it down. The character is 谢. Say it with me. 谢. Now here's the fun part. You say it twice. 谢谢. Say it with me slowly. 谢谢. Now at a natural speed. 谢谢. 谢谢. Notice how the mouth starts with a soft sh sound before sliding into ye. It's not zizi or 谢谢, it's 谢谢. Let's try again together. 谢谢. 谢谢. 谢 uses the fourth tone. It starts high and drops down sharply, like a firm nod, short and decisive. 谢, when you double it, 谢谢. Something natural happens in spoken Mandarin. The second 谢 softens into a neutral tone, so it comes out light and quick. 谢谢. You'll hear this constantly from native speakers. The first syllable carries the weight. The second one floats. Let's practice. 谢谢. 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 Now let's put it in a real sentence. 谢谢你的帮忙. 谢谢你的帮忙. Which means thank you for your help. This is natural, polite, and immediately useful. Here's something worth knowing about 谢谢. The character 谢 carries a deep meaning. It's connected to the idea of expressing gratitude and also the things fading gracefully, like flowers falling. There's real warmth in this word. Now in Chinese culture, close family members often don't say 谢谢 to each other. It can actually feel overly formal between parents and children or siblings, because the bond is assumed to go deeper than words. But with friends, colleagues, strangers, 谢谢 is always right. And if you want to be extra polite, you can say 非常谢谢. 非常谢谢. This means thank you very much. That's your daily Mandarin word, 谢谢. 谢谢. Thank you. Practice it right now. Say it 3 times out loud with me. 谢谢. 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 好，大家下次见咯. See you next time, everyone. Subscribe so you never miss a lesson.